This is the setup for the Osmosis Experiment from the SLM. Everything is prepared for us. First, in the beakers, we have beaker 1 with water, beaker 2 with water, beaker 3 with water, beaker 4 with water, beaker 5 with 60% sucrose, and beaker 6 with water. The bags have already been filled with 10 milliliters. In bag 1, I have tap water. In bag 2, I have 20% sucrose. In bag 3, 40% sucrose. In bag 4, 60% sucrose. In bag 5, tap water. And in bag 6, an unknown percent sucrose. I'm going to start out by taking a 0 weight for each one of the bags. So bag 1, which is tap water, is 15.4 grams. I'll weigh the second bag and record it in my table. I'll record the third bag, which is the 40% sucrose, 17.1 grams. I'll do the fourth bag, which is 60% sucrose, 17.3 grams. Do bag number 5, which is 15.0 grams. And I will do bag number 6, which is the unknown sucrose. It is 16.2 grams. So now I will put these all into the beakers, and then they will be weighed every 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes. I'm going to take each bag out, dry it, and weigh them individually. So bag 1, make sure it's dry. $16.9. I'll put it back in. Bag 2, I'll dry it. $17.7 grams. I'll put it back in. Bag 3, which is the 40% sucrose solution. Make sure to dry it off. Bag 3 weighs 19.5 grams. Bag 4, which is the 60% sucrose. Dry it off. 20.3 grams. Now bag 5 is the water. I'll dry it off. And it weighs 16.2 grams. I'll put it back in. Take bag 6, and I'll re-dry my pan. I get 18.2 grams. The sucrose number 5 seemed odd. I'm going to weigh that one more time. I just don't think I dried it the first time enough. So this is bag 5. 60% sucrose in the beaker was really sticking to it. Bag 5, 15.0 grams. And now we'll put that back in the 60%, and we'll wait 10 more minutes. I'm going to replace my paper towels, and we'll take a weighing after 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, I'm going to take out the bags, dry them, and take another weigh. Bag 1, 16.4 grams. Bag 2, which is the 20% sucrose. $18.3 grams. Bag 3, which is the 40% sucrose. Dry that off. $21.1 grams. Bag 4, which is the 60% sucrose. $22.2 grams. Bag 5, which is the water. Try this one off better this time. So bag 5 is 13.7 grams. And bag 6 19.9 grams. So I'll wait 10 more minutes, take another weighing, and I'll replace my paper towels. In 10 minutes, we will start taking the weight of each one, drying them off as we go. Bag 1, which is tap water. $16.4 grams. Bag 2, which is the 20% sucrose. $19.4 grams. Bag 3, which is the 40% sucrose. $22.3 grams. Bag 4, which is the 60% sucrose. $23.9 grams. Bag 5, which is the water. $12.8 grams. And the unknown sucrose. .7 grams. So I'll put these back in, wait 10 more minutes, and then we'll take our last reading. In 10 minutes, and it's time to take the last final weighing at 40 total minutes. The first bag, which is tap water, I'll dry it off and weigh it. 16.7 grams. Bag 2, which is the 20% sucrose, 19.9 grams. Bag 3, which is the 40% sucrose, I'll dry it. 23.4 grams. Fourth bag is the 60% sucrose. Dry it. Take the weight. 25.7 grams. Bag of tap water is number 5. Dry it well. Bag 5 is 11.8 grams. And bag 6, the unknown percent sucrose, is 21.5 grams. Now you have 40 minutes of data and can construct your graph and answer any hypotheses.